how to enable or disable wallet on the iPhone lock screen. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. Now in settings, you want to scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. From here, enter in the passcode. Next, we then scroll down, and in here, tap on wallet. Tap on the toggle button to turn on wallet. When you turn it on, you'll be able to access wallet directly from the lock screen. So if you have set up wallet on the lock screen, you should be able to access it. Now you can double press on the side button here to open your card. And if we switch it off in settings, here when I turn off, if you double click on it, it will not work unless you key in the passcode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.